Hello friends, this is Mohit Jain. I am a qualified chartered accountant and also a cost accountant. I have finished my 10th class in the Children's Public School. Later on I have joined Masterminds for pursuing my CA course. I have been studying in Masterminds from MEC till CA final. I have scored 529 marks in 10th class and 946 marks in my intermediate, and I have cleared all my stages of CA and CMA along with 31st rank in CMA final. The main reason for joining in this course is my dad. Basically my dad is also a chartered accountant. He's doing his own business, that is Chili's Exports. And the main reason behind me joining CA is my dad. I've been inspired from my dad. Even I thought to join MPC or BPC like my friends did, but my dad strongly recommended me to join CA, and so I'm here standing in this place and talking to you guys as a qualified chartered accountant and a cost accountant. The main reason I did not show interest in this course is because people have been telling me that CA is the toughest course to do and people might not clear it in the first attempt and it might take years to complete. But I don't think so, because if people are dedicated, if you are dedicated towards your studies, then you can definitely clear it in first attempt, and you can complete it by showing dedication towards it. There were around 50 students in my 10th class in the Children's Public School, and I guess only 2 or 3 of them came towards this section. I guess the remaining other 45 people have been doing MPC and they're still studying courses. But here I am, I've already settled, I've already got a job in Infosys. Basically, I'm from a Marwadi family, and people in Marwadi families usually, they do businesses, as you know. Mostly the Marwadis join MEC, but they go towards BCom or something and get the degrees and join in the businesses. If you're doing such a great business with BCom, then I think you can even grow more by finishing CA, by applying your skills in the business, and you can even diversify your business. The knowledge gained through studying this course, and I think that will help you much in growing your business. So I recommend you to join this course, and everyone can do this course because it is not the toughest course to do. And people keep telling so many things, but don't listen to them. And everyone can finish this course, and even ICI needs good chartered accountants to help the economy grow. So last but not the least, I thank my parents and my school management, my principal ma'am, and of course Masterminds, because that gave me the strength to finish my CA and to fulfill my dreams. So if you want to settle early in your life and earn great respect in the society, then I strongly recommend to join the CA course, and this will help you a lot in your life to grow more. All the best, guys.